Hi. Hi. How are you?
Are you a spaceman? Cool. You get to pick whatever you want. And you are a princess? Are you a special kind of princess? Doesn't matter. Pick whatever you want. Looks like you guys are just starting.
You got some more before.
Oh. And who's this? Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Michael here, Michael.
You get to take whatever you
The
want.
other one?
No, he won't.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah, no más.
Okay, so
Very cute. No, keep going.
thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Thank you,
Is
Karim.
that another Pooh?
Yeah. We are the Pooh family.